In a town not far away stood a schoolhouse, old and gray. But this school was quite unique, full of laughs from cheek to cheek. Inside its doors, you'll find a sight where learning meets pure delight. The teachers wore clownish hats and danced around like acrobats. The math class was a wacky show where numbers juggled to and fro. The 1 + 1 = 3. Just to keep it silly, you see. In science class, the frogs would sing, and test tubes danced in a ring. The experiments were quite absurd, but oh, how much the kids were stirred. History lessons came alive, with knights on scooters taking a dive. The past was never dull, you know, with dinosaurs joining in the show. Even lunchtime was a treat, with spaghetti falling at your feet, and sandwiches that told a joke. Eating there was never a yoke. But when the day came to an end, and kids bid farewell to their funny friend, they left with smiles from ear to ear, knowing that learning could be sheer. So here's to the silly schoolhouse, dear, where education brings cheer and cheer. For in this place, it's plain to see, learning and laughter will always be.